How to turn on or off keyboard sticky key on iPhone X. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to accessibility. In accessibility, go to physical and motor section and go to keyboard. Here in keyboard, you can see here the sticky key. And the sticky key is off. To turn on this, you'll have to do is tap this, and you can see here the switch button on the right side. Okay, to turn on this sticky key, you'll have to do is switch on this button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully turned on. So if this turn on, sticky key allow modifier key to be set without having to hold the key down. And that's it. And if you want to disable or turn off again the keyboard sticky key, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully turned on or off keyboard sticky key on iPhone X.